Hello everybody, welcome to the Liqmo mini tutorial series. Um, Today I'm going to show you the main screen of Liqmo, and by the way, Liqmo is the short version of Liquid Monsters. We've got four tiny little cute monsters, and we just named them Liqmo, Liquid Monsters. And each of them has a power up, and we're going to explore the different power ups, those for those different Liqmos later. But today I'm going to show you the Liqmo main screen. Um, just starting from the top, we've got on the top left, we've got golds. If you notice that there's something 3,600,000 golds I have at the moment, and we use these golds to get some power-ups. And with these, uh, just when you click play, let me show you quickly. These are the four power-ups that you can get before starting the game, and with these different power-ups, you can earn a higher score in the game. We're going to get into more details with these power-ups later, but basically this currency, the gold currency in this game, you can purchase different power-ups, and you can make use of these power-ups during your game. And again on the top, in the middle, you see this blue bar with some sort of elixir. Yeah, we call it elixir. Some glass there. This is the global currency in the Liqmo game, and with Elixir you can buy gold, and you can buy lives, and you can buy Liqmo cards, which we'll explain it later as well. But just a quick look at that one. We can go into the store, and if you look at the store, there is this Elixir, and you can purchase as much as Elixir you want, and this is corresponds to the real monetary value. And well, I'm in the UK store, so that's why it's shown in the pounds currency, but it depends on, of course, your app store. If you're in a European country, you will see probably in euros, or in US in US dollars. And for example, if you go to the next one, if you want to buy gold to to get power-ups before the game, and you get the golds by using the elixir, as you see on the right hand side. 100k gold, you can get 2 elixir for that one. And again, I will come to this point later, the Liqmo cards, but you can get Liqmo cards again using the elixir currency. And similarly for the lives, you can get also different lives, 5 lives, 10 lives, or unlimited, or just the wait time killer. It explains a little bit here. So you can use your elixirs to buy different stuff. So Elixir is the real currency. With Elixir, you can convert Elixir into different stuff. And so, continuing to the game screen, on the right-hand corner, you see the star where 38 is in the middle of the star, and this shows you your level. So the more you play, and the more experience you get, and so the better your level you get. So uh, what does this level gives to you is that with each level you get extra gold, which at the end of each each game you get extra gold, and with this gold you can, of course, uh, purchase different power-ups, but at the same time you also earn more points. And if you look at this screen in the middle, you see that there are some scores, like starting from first to just in my list there are 20 people. So these are the scores of your friends, and as well as your score. So with each level you get extra bonus scores as well. So let's say I'm on the 10th level, and my score is like, let's say 1 million, and at the end of the game, because my level is 10, you get a higher uh, score because of your level is 10. If you're on the 20th level, you get a bonus extra score for more than uh, you are in the 10th level. So And just right below that one, you see the lives, and these are the lives you can play without stopping. So we will get into these ones later. And also, just right below these lives, the heart signs, you see the tournament. And tournament, actually, we've got a tournament each week, ending on Sunday night. So each week, the tournament we repeat itself, and each weekly you're competing against your friends in this your Facebook friends who are playing Liqmo. So you want to get the medals. So as you see on the like first, second, and third medals, you see who are your friends playing, and as well as you are playing, and the score sheet. So at the end of this week, uh, you're trying to get into the first three levels, and three medals. Sorry, three places. And just if you notice the just right hand side of each player, like look at the Silimoklai, the first player, there is a kind of envelope sign, and this envelope sign is used to send lives. Some because uh, the one normally for each game you consume one of your lives, and these lives are again renewing each 8 minutes, but you can get some extra lives from your friends, or you can send extra lives. So this, when I click this one, Selim Oklay, you see it's a little bit shadowy now, and it means that I sent already a live to Selim Oklay. This is completely free to send, but in Selim's screen, it's going to appear some extra lives. So this is a way to get more lives, to earn more lives, and as well as you can also request some lives. So as you see, if you click just let me go back. Just underneath this level, I'm on 38 level. I just described. Just underneath this sign, you see a small plus sign, and if you click that one, and this need lives screen appears, and you can just either you have an option to buy life, or you can go to store and buy life, or you just click request, and you can select your friends from Facebook, and then you can request lives from there basically. So and when they send you, you will get some extra lives. Yeah, and you don't need to wait for 8 minutes to renew your life. And to collect your free lives, if you go just if you look at the right hand corner below, there's a kind of envelope sign with two is being highlighted, as number two in red is highlighted. If you click that one, then another screen appears, and here, as you see, is a get free lives. For example, my friend uh, Nigar accepted my life, so I sent her a life, and she in return she sent me a life back. So I collect this one, and also my friend Ulash sent me a life, which I didn't ask for from him, but he's so generous, so he sent me a life. So if you notice now, I before going to this one, I had extra one life just on the top of the screen on this live heart section, and now it's like five hearts plus three extra lives, so I've got eight extra lives. So this is the way you can get more lives, and so you can spend it in your game. The limit is extra 20 lives, so you can play for 20 games without renewing. Uh, so uh, now we are continuing to explore our screen more. On the left hand corner, down on the left hand corner, you see a kind of small uh, card sign, and once we click it, it's the Liqmo card screen. Unfortunately, I select my free card today, so I cannot show it today. But the idea is that each day you get one free card. So, and then you just choose one of these cards, and to your luck, you can get either free lives or some amount of gold or some power-ups, and in different quantities. So this is so to collect your free cards each day you visit the Liqmo store, sorry, Liqmo free card screen, and you collect your free points, free gold, free lives, so whatever. And just don't forget to sign in to Liqmo each day. And then just before clicking play, that obviously just clicking play just takes you to the playing screen. But if you want to get more information, like then you just write below. There's more sign. You click this one, and in this screen there are a couple of options like settings, guide, store, and if you want to get store, you can get from here. And of course, Liqmo has a story, all liquid monsters you can reach from here. Or if you have any questions about power-ups or how to play the game, it's quite straightforward game. But if you want to understand the details of the power-ups, which makes then if you learn the details of the power-ups, then you master Liqmo, so you can get better scores and you get a strategy. You make a strategy to get a better scores. And of course, you can tweet or you can share your results in if you connect your um, if your Facebook account, and you can reach the Liqmo Twitter and Facebook account, Facebook pages from here as well. And you can invite, of course, people people here, or you can unlink your Facebook. But we highly recommend you to link your Facebook because it's more fun to play with your friends. And of course, you earn these all extra goals and extra points once you advance your level. But if you unlink your Facebook, you won't be able to get that one. Uh, for I'm just going to keep the tutorial short for today, and I hope this was informative for you, and hope to see you in the next tutorials. Thank you.